Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to learn how to find the LCM and HCF of 336 and 54. For finding the LCM and HCF of the two numbers, we need to first find the factors of the two numbers. And for finding the factors, we are going to use the long division method or the prime factorization method. For finding the factors of 336, I am going to first write the number like this and we'll start dividing it by the prime factors. Here the prime numbers are, the first prime number is 2 and 336 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. So we will write 2 here and we'll start dividing the number. So 2 times 1 is 2 and 1 is carried over to the next place, so it is 13. Then 2 times 6 is 12 and 1 is carried over to the next place, which makes it 16. So 2 times 8 is 16. As 168 is again even, so we are going to divide it by 2. So 2 times 8 is 16 and 2 times 4 is 8. Again we are going to use 2 as 84 is an even number. 2 times 4 is 8 and 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 1 is 2. Now 21 is an odd number, so it is divisible by 3. So we are going to use 3 as the prime factor for this prime divisor for this number. So 3 times 7 is 21 and 7 is a prime number, so 7 times 1 is 7. So we got all the factors of 336. Now we will find the factors of 54. For that we are going to write 54 like this, and as 54 is an even number, so we are going to use 2 as the divisor. 2 times 2 is 4 and 1 is carried over to the next place, which makes it 14. So 2 times 7 is 14. Now 27 is an odd number and it is divisible by the next prime number, which is 3. So 3 times 9 is 27 and 3 times 3 is 9 and 3 times 1 is 3. So we got all the factors of 336 and 54. So we can write the two numbers as the product of factors like this. Now first we will find the LCM of the two numbers. For finding the LCM, we are going to write the numbers as the product of factors. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 7. 54 is 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. Finding the LCM, we are going to first find the common factors in between the two numbers. Here the common factors are 2, as this is common to both the numbers, and 3. So our LCM will become, we will take the common factors only once. So this will become 2 times 3, and then we have to take the product of all the factors which are not common. So we'll take all the factors. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 7 will come from 336. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 7, and 3 times 3 will be from 54. So 3 times 3. So LCM will now become 2 to the power 4 times 3 to the power 3 times 7, which comes out to be 3024. LCM of 336 and 54 is 3024. Let's box the answer. And now we'll find the HCF of the two numbers. For finding the HCF, we are going to write the numbers as the product of factors. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 7, and 54 is 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. HCF is the highest common factor in between the two numbers. So we have to take the product of all the common factors. So first we will find the common factors. So here the common fact, as we have already done in LCM, is 2 and 3. So HCF will be the product of the common factors. So HCF is equal to 2 times 3, which is equal to 6. So the HCF of these two numbers is 6. So I'm going to box the answer. So the LCM of 336 and 54 is 3024, and the HCF of the two numbers is 6. I hope this video is helpful to you and you can now find the LCM and HCF of any numbers. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. Thanks for watching.